Welcome back. One Chattanooga company is taking a step into the solar world by creating custom buildings to shelter high-powered equipment.
If you've flown in or out of the local airport, you've probably driven by Lectrus, but as we take you inside now, you may not have known what they made inside until today.
Tucked beside Chattanooga's airport, Lectrus is growing exponentially thanks to the power of the sun.
We did no solar work prior to this year. So as Mark told you, we're going to ship around 500 megawatts. A lot of power.
Their assembly process starts with structural steel.
We bring in the raw steel, we cut it into parts and pieces and prepare it for the assembly operation.
Welders prepare the base for steel walls and a coat of paint.
That allows us to set the equipment and then build an enclosure around it to protect it from the environment that it's placed in.
Creating a much-needed shield for the high-tech electrical equipment.
Ever drop your hairdryer in the water? That's the answer. I mean, this is sensitive, complex electrical equipment, and it's very sensitive to the environment that it's in. Dust, dirt, moisture, heat, cold.
That protection is important when the electrical equipment Lectrus adds inside is responsible for so much power. In their solar line, it helps panels plug in.
This is the piece of equipment that takes the DC power collected by the photovoltaic panels and converts it to AC so that they can upload it to the utility grid.
All because of a Chattanooga company.
I've always felt like we're Chattanooga's best kept secret.
Whose employees search for their own stamp of approval.
When I go out of town on vacation and I see something that looks like ours, I always see if it is ours. And I like to tell people we did that in Chattanooga.
Lectrus ships to over 25 countries and has created more than 5,000 custom and equipment centers of all shapes and sizes. Next week, it's a twist on our Made In series. One Ringgold store only sells products that are made in America, including a few we feature that are created right here at home. We'll take you inside Tillytown next Friday on News Channel 9 at 6.